What is up, everybody? ようこそ皆さん。Welcome back to the channel and coming to our adventure on upgrading the VSR-10。これをチャンネル戻ってきてありがとうございました。今回は VSR のアップグレードのビデオを進みますね。So, you just need a few simple tools, screwdriver, Allen key, and we'll see what else we need when we pull this apart. それで、ただのプラスドライバーとヘックスアレンキーを必要だけですね。So, of course, make sure that your gun is not loaded. それをガンマ弾入ってないって確認してそうですね。You have a screw here, screw here. Just need your Allen key. で、これがアレンキーを必要だけですね。There's nothing wrong with the VSR-10 internals when they're brand new. VSR の中身は全然問題ないけど、それはもし新品買った時ですね。But this gun was second hand. It was gifted to me, and this one here, internals are not that great because of the heavy use that it's gone through. So once you have removed that, you'll just remove the upper from the lower. それをネジ外した後にただこっちの部分を外すだけで上がります。And of course, your mag release button. それがマガジンリリースボタンとかはすぐ外れますから、それは気をつけてください。So, of course, you have your mag release and the spring. And this is your lower. これがロアですね。or your stock, what have you. それからストックですね。Set that off to the side. それが横に寄せるだけですね。And then we venture on to removing your hop-up unit, outer barrel, the trigger assembly. We're gonna just remove the trigger assembly, and that's all we'll do. Also the trigger guard, and that should all be all we're going to do to remove all this from that. それね、ただトリガーとかトリガーガードとホップアップを外すだけのことにするから。Okay, so what we'll go ahead and do is remove the trigger.You know, we'll just remove the mag block first. マガジンブロックを先に外しましょうね。It'll be a Phillips head or a plus, if you will. それがプラスのドライバーを使いますね。Then there is a smaller screw there. もっとちっちゃいネジもありますね。My handy dandy baby screwdriver. And remove the hop up arm. So, hop up hop up lever. hop up レバーを外しましょうね。Okay, so, was gonna go ahead and do the trigger unit, but we'll just go ahead and disassemble the barrel. トリガーやるつもりだったけど、バレルを外しましょうね。So, then you have your Phillips here. フィリップスありますね。All this is a grub screw that retains, see all that, there's a bunch of nasty on this, but that grub screw is only there to hold this barrel in place. で、そのネジはただこのバレルを動かないように設定されてますね。And I would also remove the two screws up top. Okay. で、それで、and it just spins counterclockwise. ただ左に回したら外しますね。And there's your piston and your piston head. Okay. And there you go. You have your outer barrel, your inner barrel, your hop-up unit all removed. So the reason why we removed that one there is でこのブロック外したせいはね、これを後ろに下げるようにでそれを外すけどたまにくっついちゃうので so sometimes it does get stuck in there and that is your hop-up unit. This hop-up unit will also be replaced. 横に設定しましょうね。Okay. So, part 1 of this video is complete. Sorry, it's not as long as usual, but just removing the stock from the entire upper unit and then also removing your barrel, your outer barrel, and then also your inner barrel from your VSR is all I was trying to accomplish today. で、今日はVSR のストックとアウターバレルとイナーバレルとホップアップを外すの話すだけだったので So, if you did like this video or found it a little educational or anything like that, please leave a like, sub, and comment and share. それでもしこのビデオ面白いとか好きだったら登録、コメントとシェアお願いします。